Okay, today is June the 13th, 2017, and we're looking at the remnants of Tropical Depression Calvin right here in the East Pacific. We can see this storm is being blown apart. It's quite a blast pattern all the way around, and same thing over here. Look at the blast pattern on this system. Let's take a look at the IR map, and we can really see that blast pattern detail right here, and the depth of the water vapor in this supercell. And we can see the side blowing out right here and the color change. If we look at the visible light map, we get some very good detail right when the night to day transition happens. Up here we can see the photoshopping until the night to day transition. Let's go ahead and stop the loop, and right here we see a hole. That's where the microwave hit this giant supercell. We have the night to day transition right here. And we can see a crater that had been created by a previous microwave blast. They're heating this storm with microwave to destroy it. And that's why Calvin no longer exists, because the storm has been targeted. Now we can see that secondary, pardon me, a crater has formed, and we can see that expanding out. Let's go ahead and back this up, and you can see that. So we have the initial hit right here, and as we scroll through, we can see the superheating process, and then we have a lot of disorganization towards the end. This is just a lot of steam and water vapor. But the convective process is what this entire procedure is designed to stop, and that is the storm's convection. And that's why they superheat these, and that destroys and weakens the storm. And over here, take a look. Let's roll this loop and keep an eye over here, because this area here has been targeted as well. You can see a hole opening up right there. That area was targeted. And also down here, look at all these craters. Let's go ahead and stop this and roll through that again. Keep an eye right here. Right here is where they're hitting the storm portion of it. See the craters expand. All right, so that's it. This is just a short update, an update on Calvin, which is no longer. Let's take a look at the map here. Here's Calvin, and we have 30-mile-per-hour winds, a pressure of 1,007 millibar, and moving northwest at 5 miles per hour over land. So this system never really got over water and able to develop. So we'll keep an eye on the East Pacific to see if anything else happens. And in the meantime, we'll leave it right here. Okay, that's it.